Welcome to Teaching Tips. Hi there. Today's teaching tip is on grammar from Level 3, Unit 10, the lesson about sea animals. How do we teach a grammar concept in real life situations? Let's explore that together. Let's take a quick look of the benefits on how this approach helps our students. Personalized learning, increased engagement, practical application, and enhanced speaking practice. Here's an actual lesson for you to see how easy and how we can have fun doing it. So here I have a question. Shania, who is taller, you or your brother?
I'm taller than my brother.
Very good. You can extend and engage your students by incorporating questions about their family. So I'm going to ask you another question.
No,
Who is taller, your dad or your mom?
my dad. Because
Follow up with additional questions based on their answers to keep the conversation going. Whose room is cleaner, your room or your grandma's room?
my mom's room and my grandma's room are clean than mine.
Students feel more confident using grammar and conversation when they've practiced it in real life contexts. Thanks for joining me. If you have questions or suggestions, we're here to help make each class more fun and fulfilling so you can love your job even more. Happy teaching!